Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we talk about you can see the product is go below. Okay, so here I have written some CSS style to align it correctly. So okay, how to align it I will be explain. Simply, here we have created the feature item.css. Okay, we have first two videos we have created this file. Okay, so we haven't write this style. Okay, so we have already the features container, feature title, this all the things, these classes are we have written here. The style is we haven't created the style. So feature container, so here this one, so we have to make this one as a we have to remove this h2 tag. Now you can bring back to the application, you can check it over here. So here what I'm going to do is here features container. This features means this is a features container. So the features item, this is a features container. This container features mean the features items. This all we are loading in your e-commerce site. This is the features container item. We are loading the features container. Okay, in backend we are the features item. In every e-commerce website, they are which item will be sale fast. So there someone pay to this product will be featured. So that those products we have to show on the home page as a features image. These features are containers, we have to make the style. So the feature container you have to padding, you have to set as a 2 ram, bottom we are setting 2 ram. Features title we have the uppercase. So uppercase. You can see the uppercase letter. Font size 2 ram. Letter spacing we have to give as 1 ram. So here we have to write it here. The padding 2 ram you have to put it here. It won't apply. Save. Sorry, padding. Just padding. 2 ram. Here it's 2 ram. It's go over here. Simply padding bottom. The bottom. Control S to save. Okay, here it's it is too much. Little bit you have to padding 1 ram. Now it's okay. It's simply alignment here. Now here this we have to get as the bold font weight. We have the bold. So to add the bold sequence. This how we have styled. Now you can see that this how the style is work. If you make the color any different, you have to give the different color. This one you have to give the color. You have to make it as some other color which is a green. Control S to save. Here its green color should be works. So it's working. Okay, it's working. Whatever your colors and we have to give it, it's working. Okay, so now what you're going to do is here. Here what I did here is this is a font. We have a uppercase, size we have given, letter spacing we have given, padding bottom we have given, font weight and color we have given. Okay. Features items we have the display grid. The features item means a display grid. So we have a this one should be the display. We have write it's a display grid. We need a 4 columns. We have to display there in my home page, which is a 4 columns. I want to display. Okay, if it is a 6 column go, it's go next line. But the 6 item is display, it goes to next line and display the 6 item. But the 12 item, it goes to third line. Okay, how many items are there? It will be calculated accordingly and it will be displayed. Okay, so that's why we have make it as a templates like this. Okay, this is simple. You have style. You have style. Okay, the CSS is very must. We have to attract the website, so we have to make the style. Right, this style we have to apply over here. You can see the features items, features title, and features content. We have to apply things accordingly. Okay, so we have a clear idea, right? So that's how we have styled the item. That's how the item will be displayed over here. Right, this is the features container. Features container. This is a features container. This we will start it here, close it here. In this under the div, we have to give the simple design of the padding. You have to set the 2 ram and bottom. Title main, which is a this area, which is a title. This title. This one should be the title. Title the features item, which is a title. This title how the title we need to style it. We have to give the simple style. Text we have need the uppercase letter, so we have a it has been displayed as a uppercase letter. We have to give the style. If you want to give the style little bit small, 1 rem, give the 1 rem. It's too much small. 1.5. You put the style and you get here. This one should be the, if it is enough, you can give it this style. Okay, so I feel it. I want to display this one instead of green. We have to make this one as a black, so it will be here. It will be arranged properly. Okay, perfect. After that is the letter spacing you have given, padding, bottom, padding, weight, this color. Okay, features item you have display grid. This is the columns. You have to form. Perfect. It's working. Perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Perfect. I hope you guys you understood the things well. How to style it. Okay. So okay. So now you have a clear idea. So how the stylist works. So this is the product card. Go to the product card section. So product card section. Now here the product card section, we have to give inside the chart. I have created the product.css file. So here this is the style. I am going to apply the card. So I have simply here modify this one. Okay. So we have a, you can see here. So I already here we have written here. You can see here. First one div. This is a common product card. You will start it and close it. Here the second one is the images. Okay, the card the images. This prop I already explained. Image I have styled it here. Class name. This is the image style I have given. Product card img. This is a product name. I am going to change the product name. So if you want the price also product card price. You have to give the product price as well. Okay. So here these are the styles I am going to apply here. Product card, a product, these all things. So here you can see here product card I am going to center. Text align center. After product card image, it want to be image display as height as 400 pixel, width as 300 pixel, object with cover. After the product card name, padding top 1 rem, padding bottom 1 rem, font size I have gave the font size as well, letter spacing. These are the things we have given. These are the things I have given. These are the things I have gave. Okay, this is the things we have gave. That's the thing we have done. So file, save all, these all the things. Now let's bring back to the application here. It fit on the screen successfully here. It fit on the screen successfully. So if you want to get the bold one, the product name. So here you have to give the product name. If you want to give the bold, so how to give the word font weight bold. Control S to save. It should be bold. Okay. So here this how we have applied a CSS style. So okay, this is a CSS style. Okay, product name, give the this one should be the product name. Product card should be product image display I10 with here specify. Object fit cover is I given. Product name I have styled padding top, padding bottom 1 rem, font size, letter spacing and font weight. All things are given over here. Product name. Okay, the price also we have to give the price. Product price I haven't styled it. Product price. Let's apply this one. Both are bold. I now need the bold one. So we have to this one card name we don't need the bold. This one we keep bold. Let's check it. It's bold. Okay, so now here this padding and everything I have remove it. Already we have the padding. Let's set the padding. You don't need the padding. So the font size I have to give on this little bit increase the size as 15. This also 0.2. So font size I'll put it a 1 rem, 1.1, so 1.5. It is too much. 1.5 is too much. So 1.2. Okay. It would be enough. Okay. So this is a product name. If you want another product name and price, it will be displayed successful. I hope you guys will understand things well. In my next video tutorial, I'll explain the another things. Okay, thank you for watching.